So this is a leg press machine. Now again, this may not be the one that you have at your gym, but they're all relatively similar. So this one's a different angle. Some have full this angle and some have this angle, but the setup is basically the same. Now one thing to remember before we start is the principle behind leg press is you should only go as deep as if you were standing and you can lift your knee up, okay? So obviously if I go beyond, and then that's usually what happens. You see people's form like this. So you want to stand up, just kind of get a feel of where you can go without compromising your form, okay? So then as we come in, this seat isn't actually adjustable, but some allow you to bring the seat up higher or lower. Now, and most, just to preface, weigh quite a bit already without any weights on it. So this one doesn't really weigh much, so that's why we've got weight on it already. So just experiment first, okay? I don't want you to be in a not so fun situation. All right, so this is your plate where you're going to put your feet. Now with the position, you want it to be, because again, I'm not the tallest person, I like to put my feet quite low so that I have a good angle. If I stretched up too high, it's really like it's a hamstring stretch before I even start. So we'll do double feet. If you were to do single leg, which I do like to do on this one, is you would, well, I won't go there yet. What we'll do, so see now that I've pushed this away, you've got your safety handles here to disengage. So then now you're ready to go. If you've got them in, this doesn't go anywhere, okay? So you take this away. Now if you were to do a single leg, be very careful, very mindful not to go too deep. So again, this is important that this is grounded, and then this will only go again to where you feel everything is tight, and then you squeeze. But if you are doing double, which is majority of what we do on these, shoulders back, breathe in, lower it down to as low as you can go, and push. If I was a bit wider, I probably could go a little bit deeper. So you'd breathe in, control it down, and breathe out and push. And that's basically it. So work through your reps. You really want to make sure that you're feeling the weight load into your hips so you can squeeze through your glute. There's no point in really just mindlessly doing this. You want to just control it down, feel that weight shift into your glutes and squeeze up. And then depending on your feet position, you'll feel a little bit more in your quads and your hamstring, but honestly, they're all working. So when you're finished, you've done your last rep, so you've got last rep, pull the safety handles back in, and now you're safe and ready to get out.